And well, I hope you people are watching the video till here, because the alley up ahead, see, that's a glass. It could possibly hurt someone, a sharp glass. What we'll do is we'll put it here, not in the path. So right now I'm also going for lunch. Right now we have some 178 videos on the channel, and inshallah we are gonna get to 1,000 with your support. I've been living here for almost about 2 years now. I never came from this side until a couple weeks back. But this alley up ahead, you are gonna see, it truly seems quite dramatic. Here we go. It's quite hot outside. What's your favorite flowers? All of you are flowers actually. A bunch of flowers watching my videos. So these are the scenes. This is a fire hydrant used to put out fires. Just for your knowledge, wherever you see the red pipes, as you see above, these are the fire hydrant lines. So don't mess with them. The green ones are supposed to be for utilities. Some Ramal. So like I was saying before, never throw these flammable cans in this sort of skips. This was loud. Now we are on the King Abdullah Road. Where should I come? What do you guys think? This is Mutam Toreb, one of my favorite restaurants, but right now I wouldn't want to have a rice because they serve rice mostly. Now over there they are gonna make some buildings, some huge buildings, possibly malls, residential apartments. This is Mama Noora over here, but it's not open yet. It will take a few minutes to open. Oh yeah, it's open. That guy went through, so it's open. But this is not where I'm going. So I'll meet you guys up ahead. Here's our fabulous Insta 360. Let me stop the recording. Oh, come on, get out of here. Yeah, wonderful.